Leong open for three. Papasok yan. And that will be a very early timeout coming from the Meralco Bulls. A flat start for them. Samantala, mainit ang pagsisimula si Damian, but he dribbles into trouble. Kaya iikot muna patungo kay Brickman. Three-point shot is gone.
Walang depensa talaga yung Macau. Walang rotation. Kitang-kita.
Tapos tatakbo ang Meralco. Magbuhos sa gitna, iniwan kay Almazan. Layup is good with a foul.
You can see talagang walang depth ang bench ng Macau. So, you know, they can say...
Hindi pa nagpapahinga for the Meralco Bulls. Good move coming from Jenning Leong as he gets the end one.
Kasi may Filipino roots di ba? Si Jenning Leong. Pero ang problema nito, he's not really been shooting well.
Turnover. Phoenix Shackleford, dinala pa dun sa kanan as he draws the foul. Nag-flex pa kontra sa depensa nitong si Almazan.
Marunong talaga maglaro ito.
Create for him. Makakatira at makakatira. Katulad nitong mangyayari kay Jansen Rios. Kanting tres. Wala naman sa kanya.
Kasalanan ni Mitchell yun because he had an easy defensive rebound but he did not shot.
Umulan yung mga free throws. 80 combined between TNT and Meralco.
Yung tinover ni Magu na pinapanood. Oh!
Lucky bounce para kay Bong Quinto. He's able to take a three-point shot.
Ang daming fouls mo.
10 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Raymond on the attack. That's a foul. And one for Chow.
Sa lahat ng power forward nila, siya lang talaga medyo may power at marunong talaga maglaro.
Brickman. Umatake. Kumara. Talim ng pasa. Lay-up na lang nito si Jones.
Brickman is really a good point guard. You know, this great decision making. Look at that pass. Dinaanan ng bola.
Plays better as a two. Itong si Brickman, natural na posisyon yung uno. Samantala, Shackleford, sasali talaga sa ganda ng nilalaro. Itong si Jenning Leong.
Tama yung sinabi mo kasi talagang baski na si Karab too.
Yeah.
Pero kinukuha.
Si Mitchell. Biglang gumalaw. The running push shot is good on the hook. Wala kay Jones.
Hirap na tira yun. Parang natapik ang pa yung kanyang wrist and we're
Chongqui bibigay kay Raymond Chow. Ibabalik kay Chongqui. Left wide open. The 4-point shot is good. Tabla tayo agad-agad.
yung sinasabi mo kanina, yan sana isasagot ko sa iyo. Meron pa ba si Leong? Eh, nandiyan pa rin si Chongqui. Kasi pag hindi nakascore yan, titira ito si Chongqui.
Set against Brazil. Kaya tuloy yung Pilipinas pa yung nahulog at number 1 as CJ Cancino hits a 3-point shot to make up for that free throw miss. Singapore right now.
Kaya pala talo yung
Uy,
Brazil.
ganda nung fan support mula sa Singapore. Samantala, kakapasok lang. Babanat agad. Itong si Phoenix Shackleford with a 3-point conversion.
Nakatawa si Cancino.
They might have to give up a foul para palabasin lang siya. Samantala, what a power move coming from Marvin Jones.
Nagkaroon ng earthquake yung yung goal. Gumalaw eh.
The numbers. Ilalabas muna kay Raymond Chow for the go-ahead. 3-point shot is down.
What is taking 9 straight points?
Biglang umapoy ang open. The 4. Attacks, kicks it out. Leong for the go-ahead 3. It's good. Finally, a basket here in the second half for Jenning Leong. As he adds to his tally with Miron. Tapik yung pasa. The counter-attack. Shackleford open for 3. That's gone!
Masakit sa ulo yun. Naagawan ka. You make a turnover and they hit you.
Cancino attacks the closeout. Cancino finishes!
Meralco up by 2.
But what Macau is doing is they're letting itong Meralco Bulls get away with being in the paint right now is foul. Si Musang aatake. The kick to the corner. Rios layup is gone!
That might be a very, very big basket for the Bulls.
That might be the dagger already. Kanina nagbintis itong si Jansen Rios nung napasahan siya na maganda. But first, this big time block. Pinapakita sa atin ni Cancino na hindi
Solid ang mas, malakas ang hiyaw.